Alright, so I could probably think of about 30 reasons why what I'm about to do is a bad idea. But what's the fun in that? Anyways, we're celebrating 420 the redneck way, so I hope you guys enjoy. James, you better not screw up. If I get ran over in a tractor tire because of you, we're going to have issues.
But that's the fun part.
Oh, by the way, we're actually live right now. Actually, we're not live, but we're filming, so...
Okay.
I'm sure I did not cuss too much, but... Anyways, hold this. Just like that. Don't move. Don't try this at home.
Try it at home.
Ignore the idiotic filmer dude.
Try it at home.
Don't try it at home. And in all honesty, it's a real pain to get one of these tires home. Especially if you have to roll it by hand for 2 miles like I did.
Try it at home.
But if you are stupid enough to try this at home, wear a helmet. He actually did listen. He didn't move the camera. Yeah. Into my doom. Do you remember how we're doing this?
Yeah.
Time the center of gravity. Don't flip over.
And if I fuck up, try to save your life. Gotcha.
If you can't stop me without flipping me over, flip me over. But don't flip me over on the concrete bump again.
Okay.
Gosh dang it, helmet has to go on inside. Ow. This is probably a bad idea. But what the heck, why not?
Actually, I'm just trying to roll you from the front this time.
What?
I'm gonna try and roll you from the front this time.
So like pulling me backwards? I'm not in yet, so don't do anything. That actually seems like possibly a good idea, but I don't know.
Wait, I'm gonna stand up here. This way.
I don't know, it could work. Slow, easy. Hold on, I'm not ready yet. I gotta get the phone where I'm not gonna drop it.
Alright, you good?
Not really. I'm still trying to figure this out. I think it might be better for you to film me.
Well, then how am I supposed to stop you?
That's a good point. I don't know.
Alright, just hold the phone real tight. Try not to fuck up.
This is a bad idea. Hold on. Oh shit, too late. God dang it. Oh gosh. Do you remember how to stop me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. James! Don't flip me over! I'm serious! Oh gosh, make it stop. Oh. I'm alive and I don't know how. Thanks to this guy. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna do it again because it's kind of fun. Anyway, so I'll get back to you with another video. I'm probably gonna go Facebook Live here in a minute, because why not?